Successful dropshippers have reliable suppliers. Now so are you. You don't have to play suppliers roulette. At SaleHoo we pre-verified over 8,000 suppliers and over 2.5 million products. So you can start building your dropshipping business with confidence. Less time for research. More time to develop your online store featured products, trusted vendors, through sales, profit margins. Your research has already been done for you by experienced dropshipping experts. Now you can quickly find all the product and supplier information you were looking for. And it's all easily accessible from a simple, intuitive dashboard. Just choose your solution and let's go. Global network of trusted dropshippers and wholesalers find products and suppliers to help your business. With the SaleHoo catalog you can identify high-margin and in-demand products with the Market Research Lab. Quick filtering among 8,000+ suppliers with specific search criteria. Discover trusted suppliers with low or no MOQs. Securely negotiate the lowest price for your products. Get exclusive insider deals from suppliers available to SaleHoo members only. Find the best supplier for your business and create your vision faster. Fill your Shopify store with high-margin products in minutes. Do you have a Shopify store or are you about to open one? With SaleHoo Dropship you can choose from 1,000 expert-approved products. Easily add products to your Shopify store with one-click import. View all information about your product on one screen. Integrate SaleHoo and Shopify with one click. Automate your dropshipping success. This way you can minimize your admin and focus on your sales. Grow faster with an incredibly helpful support team. We are here to help you find that niche product or a supplier in the country of your choice, or one that is delivered to your desired location. Whatever you need, you will always have an expert. Unlimited 1-1 support via phone, email, chat and Facebook. 1-1 help finding obscure suppliers and niche products. Our community forum is full of colleagues and experts who understand dropshipping. Every member of our support team has been trained by six-figure dropshipping experts, and their only mission is to help you succeed. You have a vision. We are here to make it happen. Get the knowledge you need straight from the professionals. Avoid costly mistakes. Set your store up for success right from the start. Get expert training to launch and grow your business. From 7-figure dropshippers who have done this before. Dropshipping is as easy as was supposed to. Easily add high-margin products to your Shopify store with one mouse click. With SaleHoo Dropship you can find hot items quickly from really reliable suppliers, so you can safely choose products and start selling. The only catalog where each product has a high profitability. Save hours of time looking through less than ideal product listings. Our dropshipping experts have rated and approved popular products from AliExpress. And each of these winning products has a profit margin of at least 3 times the cost. You can use the price range slider to quickly find the cheapest items and improve your margin even more. Just click on a niche, filter your search criteria, and start searching among proven products, hand-selected for profit. Reliable suppliers make business easy. Lost packages, slow delivery, incorrect stock availability. Nothing can ruin a dropshipping store like bad suppliers. Secure your success. With SaleHoo Dropship you get instant access to over 1,000 pre-verified suppliers. So you know your business is always in safe hands. Is it better not to talk to suppliers? No problem. You can start selling without contacting your suppliers. They will make your customers happy, and you will have easy business. Put profit on autopilot. Maintain consistent profits in your store with the built-in pricing control tool. From the dashboard, you can automatically add a predetermined profit margin to all prices for your products. So if the supplier suddenly changes their prices, you still make a profit. You will be able to confidently add products to your store, knowing that you will get the desired margin every time. All information about your product and supplier on one page. The SaleHoo Dropship dashboard is your business on the page. Briefly review the key information about each of your products. Product cost, sales volume, shipping information, supplier rating and quality images are clearly laid out, so you can access them in seconds. Import them to your store with one click. And it's easy to keep track of your business. Overcome all difficulties with an incredibly helpful support team. You have a team to help you succeed. As a SaleHoo member, you will have access to 24/7 support. Thus, you can get out of the deadlock and get back to growing your business. Move your business forward with unlimited 1-1 support via phone, email, chat and Facebook, access to over 50 free manuals and tutorial videos, a community forum full of peers and dropship experts, and all the support you need to build a successful dropshipping store. The best products, the best suppliers, better profit. Ready for an easier dropshipping business? Access the only catalog of high-quality, hand-selected products for profit. Easily integrate Dropship SaleHoo with your Shopify store and you can choose high-yielding products from a list compiled by experts. Set specific search criteria to find exactly the product you need. Import products from AliExpress with one click. Work with trusted vendors that make business easier. Manage products and suppliers from the control panel. Automate profit margins or set your own prices. 24/7 support from SaleHoo specialists. This way you will spend less time researching and more time selling.